Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to turn into a big downtrend. I still think it's going to go down to one of these lower Fibonacci extension levels, probably make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, or possibly even a wave 3, which would put it even lower than that. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push down is a trend very clearly. I think it's a wave one. I still think this push up is a wave two. I mean, at this point, it probably is going to hit the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. Maybe it'll do this before it actually does go down and make that wave three, four, and five, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily, I mean, I would definitely say that this is an ABC. For a while, I was thinking that maybe it was three waves up right here for like a WXY, but this is more like a trend to me. I think it's a wave A. This looks more like three waves down, like a wave B. And this is a very overlapping pattern to the upside. It looks like almost an ending diagonal wave C. Now, maybe it does have one more push up to the touch of 61.8 and take out the high of wave 4 to end the wave 2 and then continue back down for a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it really does have that 3, 4, 5 shape to it right here. So it does kind of make you wonder possibly it may not hit the 61.8. It may actually turn before that, especially because on shorter time frames, this move up right here looks pretty corrective, like it needs to go down again. Now, maybe this is all just part of a correction to the uptrend, and eventually it's going to go back up before it goes down. But on the 4 hour time frame, it definitely does kind of lead me to believe that this is going to go down before it does go back up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down, because this move up right here really looks like three waves up already. Didn't really bounce off a fib level, kind of missed it a little bit, and it has not made an engulfing move to the downside as of yet. But if it does make an engulfing move down, and if it does give us a break of structure, it probably is going to be a little bit of a short. But I would be careful going short because on the higher time frames, the trend is definitely up, and it still looks like it needs to go up and touch that 61.8 that I was showing on the 4 hour and the daily. So if you do decide to go short, definitely be careful because it may just be like a part of a correction to the uptrend, like a wave C or something, and it may end up going back up to touch that 61% Fibonacci retracement on the daily before it actually does go down and make that bigger wave three. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.